Hello, sir. Thank you. Give me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sabi Kumar. I am from Basti, Uttar Pradesh. I have just completed my diploma in computer science and engineering. I am preparing for IT jobs and learning important technology like Python, Linux, AWS, and Git. I enjoy I enjoy working with those tools. I am for a beginner level IT role. Where can I use my skill use my skill and learn more. Thank you, sir. What is Linux? Linux is a free open source operating system that's on alternative Microsoft Windows and Apple MacOS operating systems. Linux power most of the server on the internet. The kernel, low-level software, IT control, and hardware with function scheduling, process, and networking. What is Fast API? Fast API application programming interface and the is a message between the client and the server. रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल रेस्टोरेंट क्लाइंट हमारा कस्टमर क्लाइंट हो गया सेकंड ऑप्शन सॉरी चीफ हमारा सर्वर हो गया एंड डेटाबेस हो गया और वेटर हमारा वेटर एपीआई होता है एपीआई हु डू वी यूज एपीआई API allow different application to communicate. Examples: website, mobile app, Angular app. How to create fast API project? Create a create a project folder. Uh, Command mkdir or folder names student API. Open the folder. Command cd. Cd command use student API. What is virtual environment? A virtual environment and is a related Python environment for on project each on Python project X. It's Git. Git is a version control system. It was created by Linux Trouble in 2005, has been mintable by Joins Human Science use use for is for options code tracking code change, tracking who mode change, second options, and third options code collaborations. Key Git concept. First options repository. Folder A, folder A, where Git track your project and history. Clone. Second options make a copy of remote repository on your computer. Strogate. Uh, tell Git which 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 is change you want to save next. Commit. Snap a sorry. Save a snap host of your stored change. Branch options. Branch of a work work of different branch and different future or sometimes merge. Combine change different branch. Pull get the last change from a remote repository. Push send your change to a remote repository. Why Git? Over 70% use developers Git developers can we work together in anywhere work anywhere in the world. Developers can see the full history and the project. Developers can be version. Developers can revert of version of projects. What is use? What is use? Uh, a sound. Examples. I have a pen. She is a girl. What is an use? Use of sound a e I o u with use an. Examples. This is an elephant. And second examples. She is an course. What is use of this and that? Use use this and that are demonstrative person noun and demonstrative adjective. They are used point to people, things, or place. Exa- uh, The structure structure and this plus is plus noun, and second structure this plus noun plus verb. This is a example. This is a boy. Second example, this is a guy. This is a cow. Sorry, this is a cow. What is used that uh, for a person noun or that thing is for you similar sentence. Structure uh, that plus is plus noun, and second structure that plus noun plus verb. Example example that is my horse. Second example that is my dog. What is used of these and those? Option this मतलब ये. These is used for people or things that are near you. Plural sentence. Examples. Structures. Structure these plus are plus noun. Examples. These are my pens. Second example. These are my cow. Those you what is those? Those way. Those मतलब way. Those is used for people or things that are from you plural sentence. The structure those plus are plus noun, and second examples. Those are my shoes, and second example those are my bags.